Hey guys, so today I sent my Silhouette VIPs this awesome unicorn quad accord. I don't know what it says on the thing, but you get the idea. It's a card and it's got a darling little unicorn and this main piece and then a little piece for the back, and that's it. It's a really simple template. So if you're looking to make some kind of cute little fun card, this is the one for you. So it's super simple. So I like to fold first so I know where all my glue goes, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this first piece forward, and then it's an accordion fold, right? So I'm going to fold this one back until we get the full accordion effect. Look at that. Super easy, right, guys? All right, so then I'm gonna use stick glue for this. I think it's the easiest rather than hot glue. Here is my stick glue, and I'm just gonna put a bit on the back of this unicorn. Now, you guys, you might struggle to cut out this unicorn. I'm gonna give you two tips. One, use a brand new mat. A brand new mat will cut it nice and clean. The second thing is a newer or new-ish blade is going to help you out quite a bit, okay? So the newer your blade is, the better it will cut. The other thing is, if you really are struggling, because I was struggling a little bit cutting it out this time, only because I was using a very, 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 very old mat, is I just made it slightly bigger, and that helped with the cutting, okay? So the last thing is this little white template right here. I'm just gonna glue it to the back. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to that. And here we go. Glue that to the back there. Simple, fast project, you guys. And I did cut this one out in cream and this one in white. You can do that. You can do different colors. The point is that it's meant to be a very simple project for you to do. All right, Silhouette VIPs, you got this for free. If you don't have this file, it's available in my Silhouette shop. Or if you want to get my freebies every week, make sure and go to my website at karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP, and you can choose to be part of one of my VIP groups, fabric, silhouette, or courses. And all of them get freebies usually around once a week, sometimes more, sometimes a little bit less if things are really, really nuts. But usually I try to give you really cool things. I also do some really fun activities, like during Christmas, I do 12 days of Christmas freebies. So if you want to get on that list, you can do that totally free. And just my big fat thank you for hanging around, for making cool stuff and being a crafter. All right, see you guys.